Good evening. Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals, and I'm still alive, recovering from this little ditty here that I've got. Rather not say it because I have a feeling that my video yesterday, just saying those words, the particular words of what I've got, pretty much stomped some of my views, I believe. But no less, that's just speculation on my part. Take a look at this. What a beautiful evening out here. That's all seaweed out there. It's what we call sargassum for you people that don't live in South Florida. The beaches get heavy and thick with it, and every morning, if you've watched my show in the past, you've noticed the tractors come by and they clean that up. Beautiful evening though. It's probably what, about 80 degrees or something like that. And let's see here. Oh, a little harder than I thought. Haven't been out yet. 88. I pretty much locked myself up in the house today. Probably should get out and get some fresh air though. 88 though. Ooh, what a hot day. Let's take a look at the quote of the day, which is, "Health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it." And I'm very seldom ever been sick in my life. This little critter, this critter that I got here, and again, I want to be careful how I phrase this. This critter that I got here kind of knocked me down a little bit energy-wise, but not that awful. But still, kind of reminds me that I'm used to having full control over my body, my eyes, my arms, my ears, my stomach, everything, my lungs, my breathing. And when you don't, and again, you're used to that all the time, you start to realize, we are all vulnerable. And I'm glad I take care of myself, and this is a good reminder why I need to take even better care of myself. I think I need some more cardiovascular activity, more run. I don't even get much cardio. I do weight training and stuff like that. But here, I digress. There's my word that I used to say all the time. Let's take a look at spot prices right here. 1866.76 currently, 1865 the low, 1867. So we're moving up to that higher 1800s, moving back towards the $1,900 level. And as all of you know, I have mentioned it 1,000 times, is that when it comes to this manipulation, the only way they can make money is if it goes back up again. So it's a wash and repeat thing that we're going to see. But if you've noticed with gold, particularly with gold, not so much with silver of late, the highs in gold just kind of get, the new highs are, what is the lows are higher than the last one. Oh my gosh, I can't. Just nix that for today, folks. Just be reminded that I've had a rough week here. Let me move into silver. 22.13, 22.14. What kind of frickin' range is that between a high and low? That's kind of crazy here. 21.13 currently sitting at. Oh, that would be the just opening. Okay, that's why. I'm sorry. What was the high and low in New York today? 21.69 to 20. Okay, so it did get that sub $22 level. And here, we'll kind of quickly look at this. I'm going to make this a short video today, folks, so forgive me. One of the things I wanted to do is go over premiums on products, and I'm going to do that in a minute because a couple things here I'd like to talk about. As you can see, the market in gold slowly just drifting up all day long, which is a good thing, as I've always said. For you silver guys out there, watch the price of gold because silver will follow. And the same thing with silver. Take a look at this, just drifting up throughout the day. So both gold and silver performing fairly well. I'm not quite sure what happened in the stock market. Looks like NASDAQ got kind of a strange look. NASDAQ got whacked hard versus the S&P and the Dow, which is kind of holding flat there. But no less, gold and silver had done pretty well today, gone up quite a bit, and we're in a momentum move back up. And will they try to smack it down again? Absolutely, absolutely. But remember, like I said, you just got to know how this game is played, and I know what I was trying to say. Then we're going to see higher new lows. You know what I mean? So the lows we're going to see are going to be higher than the lows prior to that in the price of gold. And also, I think at this point, silver is way undersold. What is the gold to silver ratio actually here? And let me take a look. Silver's going to do one of those shoot up quick things here, I think, not too far from now. Let me take a look at the, excuse me, sorry about that, ratio here. Let me use Siri. 1866.76 divided by 22.13.
It's approximately 84.3542.
All right, we're getting up almost at 85 to 1 gold to silver ratio here, which is pretty damn high and much higher than the norm. And I don't think gold's too high, and I think silver's just way undervalued right now. And we're probably, and that'll rubber band back at some point. That's exactly what we're going to see. If this spread widens, you'll see silver just make a $1 move or a $2 move. Again, that's just my opinion. Let's take a look at where are we going from here. Nothing's changed. The world sucks when it comes to inflation. And as far as news goes, I just can't get into it. Nothing but depressing stuff out here. Really, we can talk about depression. It's the same old shit every day, the same old shit show every day. Boy, I can't wait till these people are gone, just absolutely out of here. One of the things that I was really disgusted with too, $40 billion to Ukraine with no accountability. What is Joe going to send Hunter out to Ukraine to gather part of that $40 billion? The crooked motherfucker that he is. Excuse my language, but that's my opinion. Boy, $40 billion going to send with no accountability. Did you see Rand Paul tried to get them at least say, okay, we'll send the $40 billion, but you got to at least have it accountable. You got to at least hire an auditor to see where this money goes. And they refused. They refused. This tells me how corrupt these mothers are. And like I said, expect Hunter Biden to be taking another trip shortly to pick up him and the big guy's side of it. I'm sick of these people. I'm sorry. See what happens? Sick of these people. Literally sick of them. I think the whole country is myself anyway. So, let's take a look here. My girlfriend just walked by me and told me to calm down. Let me see. All right, I'm out of here. I don't want to watch this stuff right here. Let's talk about premiums, all right? And as you know, I advertise to beat JM Bullion here at our business. And what are the best deals out there? It's still the same I've been telling you. But I'm going to talk about a couple things here, which is I have not seen the price of 90% silver coin. Let's see where they're at on 90%. Again, I can beat their prices on all the stuff. Silver on all the stuff that I have in stock and all their better deals. I don't stock the overpriced crap that they do, that's for sure. And they got the money to price it. They got the money to stock all kinds of crap. So let's take a look at where's 90% on here. That's what I was looking for. All right, 90%. Let's see what they're getting for 90%. I can tell you that my cost wholesale on 90% right now, silver. There you go. Out of stock, out of stock. Oh boy, that's unusual. Out of stock. 90%, I'm just blown away by the premiums. Here, I'm going to just tell you guys what the premiums are right now. Appears to be the wholesale. Now, this is a wholesale buy. The wholesale buy price is around $5.75 in that $5 to $6 range. Folks, that's wholesale. That's what dealers are paying each other to buy 90% dimes and quarters and probably halves as well. Dealers are asking $7 over spot for this stuff when they have it. Apparently, a lot of people don't have it. As much as I always used to tout 90%, maybe you remember a year or two ago, I was having people get into it, which was really a great deal. Now you guys got to be happier than crap that I told you to trade your Silver Eagles for 90%. Look, I mean, that was a great deal. But it's just crazy, $7 over spot. And obviously, I have it in stock, and I'd still sell it cheaper than. Well, I can't sell it cheaper than them. They don't have it. But we got it, and I'd sell it for the silver price plus 7, and I think we're paying between $5 and $6 an ounce to get it. Wholesale, again. Retail, what we're paying for it just depends on the quantity. And what else is, 100-ounce bars, again, I'm taking a look at the premiums on these. I'm going to tell you what the wholesale spread on bars are, and it's big. It's big, plus $1 on the buy, plus $2.50 on the ask. That's when you can find them from certain vendors. 1 ounces, 150, 3 1/4. Man, 1 ounces or spot plus 3 1/4 would be my cost on those things, I think, right now. I'm just looking at yesterday's sheet, folks. I didn't look at today's sheet. I just jotted some prices down that I saw on the dealer buy systems. There doesn't seem to be any 10-ounce bars available anywhere out there. Let's see if they have 10-ounce bars. JM has to have 10-ounce bars because they own, they're partial owners in a couple mints, Sunshine, I think, and as well as Silvertown. Give me 1 second. And no, it's not wine. It's a glass of water, actually. No coffee, no wine. Let's see here. What else is out there? Valcombi kilo bars are a good deal right now as well still. You know what the best deal out there is if you can find them in silver? It's constitutional silver dollars, all right? But it's not the ones you're thinking of. And let me see if I can find them. Modern, let's see, modern commems. Let's see if they have them. They probably don't because they are, no, I typed it in wrong. Give me 1 second here. Modern U.S. commems. Did I? There we go. Modern U.S. commems, images, and there we go. All right, this is exactly what I want to show you. See these right here? These are all made by the United States Mint. And I'm looking at the premiums on the wholesale selling price. If you can pick these up, man, you can buy them for probably like spot plus $3 to $4 over. Again, I'm assuming my cost is spot plus 2, but I don't see any availability right now. But these are the best deal out there. If you can buy these for spot plus $4 or under, it's constitutional silver. It's even nicer than 90% constitutional dimes, quarters, and halves because it's made by the U.S. Mint. It's proof. It's uncirculated. It's 0.77 ounces. And the exact same as a Morgan and Peace dollar, which are going to run you way more. So you definitely don't want to buy the early Peace dollars and Morgan dollars. I mean, what is my cost on Peace dollars now? $32 frickin' dollars for a circulated Peace dollar with like 16, 17, or what is it, $17 worth of silver in it. Whereas you can pick these up for what, $21, and there's like $17. Anyway, 0.77 ounces of silver in each of these. They are constitutional U.S. silver dollars. And they are great. You can't buy all these. You can't buy buffaloes. Buffaloes are like $100 coins or $200 coins each or something like that. And a few of these are a little better commems. I'm not sure if the Robert Kennedy's better, but the buffaloes definitely are. These are common as hell. The Olympics that you see right here. And what else is common as hell? The Marines get a good premium. Those are $50 each. They're more than the price of silver. Here you go. Constitution. No, that's a gold piece. Well, let's move into gold. There's another great deal, which is if you want to buy fractionals, buy the U.S. $5 gold pieces, the commems that were made from 1986 and up. There's a 1987. That's a 10, I believe. And there's a 1989 Congressional 5. You can pick these up for, oh man, take a look at that. That's not bad. $5 commemoratives. My cost is like melt plus 2%. So, I mean, damn, that's a pretty good deal. You could probably get them for the melt price plus $35 or something like that, or less, about the same price as a sovereign or something, or, you know, as far as the premium goes. So there's some good deals to be had out there in modern U.S. commems, as long as you're just paying less than 4% over melt. My recommendation, closer to 3 would be nice. So that's good deals out there. Old British sovereigns and Brit sovereigns. I'll show you what those look like. And oh, Brit. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, God, is that some nasty looking crap? What the hell is that? See, I tried to use the industry abbreviation. There you go. Hit that. British sovereigns. And there's your British sovereigns right there. Those are 0.2354 ounces each. Again, representing really good value when it comes to fractional gold right now compared to Eagles, Maple Leafs, and the other fractional gold. Way cheaper, way cheaper. This would be closer to a quarter ounce gold eagle or a quarter ounce maple leaf. Again, not quite a quarter ounce, 0.2354 ounces. However, you can buy these again for spot plus, what are sovereigns right now? I'm sorry, melt plus like $35. I got them in stock. I'm not sure what your local dealer's selling them for. Let's look at the gold 20 franc pieces, French 20 francs, Swiss 20 francs. Let me just put in 20 franc gold, and maybe the different countries will show up as well. There you go. You got your French 20 francs, and there's your Swiss 20 franc right there. You should be able to pick these up for the same thing. Melt, no more than melt plus $35. And these have 0.1867 ounces of gold in them each. As I said, compared to quarter ounce, 10th ounce, and half ounce gold eagles, maples, and some other products, these are great value. The other, I mean, for an example, my cost on a quarter ounce eagle is 9%. That's my cost, all right? Plus 9%. Half ounce eagles plus 6, and gold eagles, if I want to buy gold eagles wholesale, they're plus 12% to me. So, I mean, this is a far better deal right here, a way to stack fractional pieces of gold. I think they're good deals. What else is out there? Platinum, I think, is still underpriced, in my opinion, quite a bit. What's the best deal on platinum? I'm going to say platinum bars are still the best deal out there. They're probably going to be around spot plus, what is it, 95 bucks at this moment here. And stay away from proof gold eagles. The premium is just crazy. By the way, any of you guys that are collectors out there that have proof gold eagles, I couldn't think of a better time to sell them right now. The premium, think about this. The premium on gold eagles right now is, where is it? Proof gold eagles. I wrote it down on the sheet now. I can't find it. Holy crap. Dealers are offering to pay plus $400 an ounce on proof gold eagles with original box and papers. That's just insane, folks. 400 bucks. So if you got proof gold eagles out there and you want to come in and do a trade with me, of course I need to make a little bit of money on the deal, but trade the high premium of gold eagles and buy yourself some bars or some other eagles that don't have the high premium. You can probably make yourself a couple $100 an ounce and walk away with the same amount of gold. Probably a good deal. And for those of you that say, well, maybe not. Remember, folks, those folks that remember, last year when I made the advice to trade your eagles and buy 90%, I'm sure whoever did that is smiling like a jackal right now because you've done really well. I believe the same thing when it comes to proof gold eagles. If you got proof gold eagles in original box and papers, sell them, buy back regular eagles or something cheaper. You'll put more money in your pocket, and or you can buy more gold or silver with it. There will be nothing out of your pocket. It's just a plus for you right now. I could go into a ton of other products, but I'm not going to because, again, I want to get some rest here, and I need to get back in the store, man. I'm bored. Well, let's move along and see where we're going to go from here. And where are we? I'm not going to do that, not doing that, staying out of the news. Yesterday's video, I'm not going to say the word because, again, I think the numbers got a little stuff there. And they put that big disclaimer on the bottom of that thing. I mean, what is it like? Were they afraid I was going to go out there and say something? Never mind. Tariq Hack got the pin of the day there. Justice is reserved for those exposed. Justice is reserved for those that expose the crimes, while those that commit them on behalf of government get rewarded. And he's absolutely correct about that. I like that comment he made. Virgil, I appreciate that. I live with a registered nurse as well, and she's the one that just walked by me and told me to calm down. Wow, 4 times, no kidding. And thank you very much. I have to admit, I did drink coffee today, but right now I am drinking water, so. And my mouth is really drier than normal. The government agencies are not just, yep, that's true. Walter, I've seen that too. It's not us, believe me. I've seen my comments disappear on pages. I don't know why. Sometimes they're just innocuous comments too. Sometimes, well, occasionally maybe I just forget to hit the send button or whatever the heck it is, and I thought I did or something. But yeah, you're right. I've seen that before, even on my own comments. So that's pretty funny, Mr. Bronner. How are you, sir? Hope you're doing well. And yeah, Joey Baez, what's up, man? You're absolutely right. Yeah, monkeys will fly out my butt too. A pure blood buying opportunity on the dips. Yep, that's true. And oh, people, thank you. I'd like to thank everyone here. I'm going to just go down these pages. I got a lot of new commenters as well out there. Very cool. You know, like Melissa and JTBSK2, Dave Davis. But you guys are great. Thank you, all of you, for your good well wishes here and your suggestions on what I should do here. Fortunately for me, it hasn't hit me that hard. You know, some fever and chills in the evening a couple times, and some stuffiness, and just overall, you know, just you know, sleepy. So thank you very much. I'd like to thank all of you, Silver Loving Lou, Gary Moore. You never own land. Very true. That's true. You never really own land. You pay taxes out the ass for insurance, and you know, that's one, you know, you just don't. Yeah. Anyway, that's from yesterday's video. I didn't mean to go off track here. Thomas, what's up? Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. American Patriot says, yep. I'm avoiding saying any of these words, folks, just because, again, I kind of think my videos got stuffed yesterday. Maybe that's just because my conspiracy, they're out to get me. But I honestly do think that certain keywords and certain things you say can cause your videos to get lower views, or them to put it out there less. Oh, I sent the letter, by the way. I sent the letter to Ted Cruz, and for not a letter, but I sent an email asking to meet with Ted Cruz to discuss this criminality going on in the COMEX markets. So any of you folks that are following me on that, I did do that letter today since I was so bored. If the pipelines were open, yep, Yep. Yeah, he did vote for 49B bill to Ukraine, not 49 billion. Yep. I'm not happy with him either, but you still, I don't know what to say. I agree with you 100%. Wayne Burbank, Rick, what's up? Silver Wolf, hey dude. John Vigil, Al Cords. Hope you get through the, yeah, I do too. Celtic Knot, Linda. I'm just looking for some questions here, folks. Don't you think that the spike in silver back in 2020 Wall Street Silver announced their intent that they may be taking a more stealthy, less noisy approach by just buying low and stacking to pull off the market? At least they don't have to pay high prices. Well, I don't remember them saying that, Celeste, but honestly, you know, the idea that, you know, what's pulling, I mean, I see the idea of, you know, being able to buy it at cheaper prices, but, you know, the credibility of the silver, the credibility of putting your money in silver, it really hurts newer investors and people that don't know what they're talking about when they're not familiar with how these markets are manipulated, and everything is. I just think Wall Street silver has a great opportunity to you know, use a protest moment and really make some major changes. But I've said that enough times. Thanks for commenting, Celeste. I appreciate it. Hope your day is well. Yep, they were $5,000 suits, and yeah, they pretend they work for us, exactly. I don't think they have. Someone offered me some, well, I don't even want to say it again, my gosh. Anyway, thanks for watching, Chris and Linda. Strongman, let me see again. I don't think there's too much, gosh, a lot of new viewers, or a lot of new commenters out there. And mostly if it's about me feeling better. So I really, again, I read them, but the problem is that, again, I don't want to get knocked down and get another warning on my video like this. Where is that warning? There's that warning. All right, I'm going to roll, folks. It's been a rough week for me. I hope I helped you out with some premiums and stuff like that. If you live in South Florida, I'm the guy to come see. And like I said, think for yourself and always question authority. I'd go into my reasons why, but gosh, you've heard it enough times. So I'm going to close it out with, this is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea, hoping to feel better soon so I can get back to work and do a little bit longer videos with some more content. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.